let's do the big ones first
Because
then.
you don't think if you take that machine and go down in there first, that won't stop the pain, and I would.
No, it won't get rid of it, because I still have to trim down on those corners.
Okay.
So, I'll go real easy and see if we can do it without hurting too much. Okay, so let's do that one first. You sure you don't want me to numb these up?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, big chunk. There we go. But I think having you come back a little more often has made these easier to tolerate, right?
Yeah. Because I couldn't do it once a month, huh?
Well, you can do it as frequently as you like. Insurance will only pay every 60 days or every 62 days or something.
Oh,
like that.
okay, so that's why I said
Right, so people do come sooner than 2 months, but it's just they pay for every other one then.
Oh, okay.
So, now we've talked about removing these
I
nails
know.
too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I stay on, man. I don't know, I'm like, do I want to do it?
Well, it's always an option. It's not something you have to decide today. And I think in your case, given how painful those big toenails are to trim, and the fact that you're young and healthy enough that you could take care of them afterwards, it wouldn't be a bad thing
Yeah.
in your case, just on those big toenails. The rest of these aren't bad.
To keep the white stuff, you too said, to make it, keep that from being,
Right,
yeah,
So they don't get too thick and
yeah.
too brittle. Yeah, I mean, look, this is probably the least pain.
I had since I've been coming here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this was a piece of cake compared to how...
Yeah, so I'm going to keep making sure I do it. I've been doing it more than twice a week.
Okay, great.
Yeah, because usually I'll be in here.
Yeah. Usually you would have some choice words as I get those edges out.
Yeah. Or I'll be like, numb them. Don't even touch them yet. Numb them. I say maybe that'll help them more.
Yeah, because we have had to numb the toe in order to trim those in the past, yeah.
Oh, that wasn't bad this morning. I probably couldn't sleep last night. That's probably why I was tossing and turning.
Oh, you were nervous?
Yeah, because I can't sleep. I keep looking at the time. It was 3 something, 4 something, 5 something. Then when I woke back up, it was like 7:20. I was like, I might as well go get in the shower.
You know, for that reason alone,
I need to get these toenails off, though.
you know, taking them off would relieve that worry.
Yeah.
And relieve that
Because
stress.
I'm like, I swear I don't want to feel like up to no pain.
Yeah, and I don't strongly recommend it for most people, but in your case, given how painful these are, you would be someone where I would say you're the perfect candidate for removing these.
I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing.
I am here to tell you about Meta 7. Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.